Hey everyone. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you lace up your running shoes and hit the pavement? Do you find yourself asking questions like, can running really transform my body? Or what are the long-term benefits of running? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how running changes your body, both inside and out. Running isn't just a physical activity. It's a journey of transformation. It's a commitment to yourself, a promise to push your limits, and a way to discover what your body is truly capable of. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the obvious, cardiovascular health. When you run, your heart gets stronger. It pumps blood more efficiently, helping to lower your resting heart rate and improve circulation. This means you're not just running. You're building a healthier heart that can power you through life. But it doesn't stop there. Running also increases lung capacity and endurance. With each step, you're training your respiratory system to take in more oxygen. You'll find that not only can you run longer distances, but you'll also have more energy throughout your day. Now, let's talk about weight management. Running is one of the most effective ways to burn calories. It boosts your metabolism and helps you maintain a healthy weight. But remember, it's not just about burning calories. It's about building muscle, too. Your legs will become stronger and more toned. Your core will engage, providing stability and support. Over time, you'll notice a leaner physique, and with that, comes increased confidence. But let's not forget the mental aspect. Running is a powerful tool for mental health. It releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that boost your mood and reduce stress. It's often referred to as the runner's high, and it's real. You'll find clarity, focus, and a sense of accomplishment with every mile you conquer. Plus, running can be meditative. It gives you time to think, to reflect, and to escape the noise of everyday life. It's a moment just for you. So, whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting out, remember this: every time you run, you're not just changing your body, you're changing your life. You're challenging yourself, breaking barriers, and creating a healthier, happier version of you. Now, it's time to take that first step. Get out there, embrace the journey, and let running transform you. Because every mile is a step towards a stronger, more resilient you. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more motivational content, and share your running journey with us in the comments below. Let's run together towards a healthier future.